Hello all, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the realm of our higher selves. Ever considered the incredible depths within you? Get ready, because we're about to unravel the mystery and discover how it can change your life in ways you never imagined. Segment 1. Exploring the notion of higher self. At the core of life lies the concept of the higher self, a transcendent aspect of our being that exists beyond the limitations of our physical form. While our conscious minds may struggle to grasp its essence, our higher self communicates with us through a language of intuition, synchronicities, and inner knowing. It whispers to us in the quiet moments of reflection, nudging us towards paths that align with our true purpose and potential. When we learn to attune ourselves to these subtle signals, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of our existence and our place in the universe. We begin to recognize the interconnectedness of all things and the wisdom that permeates every aspect of our reality. Through meditation, mindfulness practices, and self-reflection, we can cultivate a stronger connection to our higher self, allowing its guidance to illuminate our journey and lead us towards greater fulfillment and enlightenment. As we navigate the complexities of life, it's essential to remember that we are not alone on this journey. Our higher self is a constant presence, offering support, guidance, and unconditional love. By embracing this connection and trusting in its wisdom, we can navigate life's challenges with grace and authenticity, knowing that we are always supported by a higher power that resides within us. Segment 2. Dreams and mirroring. Many individuals have experienced the phenomenon of vivid dreams that seem to transcend the ordinary realm of subconscious wanderings. These dreams often feel imbued with a deeper meaning, as if they are messages from a higher source attempting to communicate with the individual. In some spiritual and psychological circles, it is believed that these dreams are manifestations of one's higher self, a part of the individual's consciousness that exists beyond the constraints of everyday reality. Within this framework, these dreams are seen as opportunities for introspection, reflection, and guidance, offering insights into one's innermost desires, fears, and aspirations. Similarly, moments of synchronicity, in which one finds oneself mirroring the thoughts or actions of others in an uncanny way, can be interpreted as messages from the higher self. These synchronous occurrences are frequently viewed as more than coincidences. Rather, they are interpreted as meaningful connections orchestrated by a higher intelligence. Such experiences serve as a reminder of all beings' interconnectedness and the fundamental unity of existence. By paying attention to these synchronicities, individuals may gain valuable insights into their own paths and purposes, as well as the interconnected web of existence in which they are enmeshed. In essence, both vivid dreams and synchronistic moments offer glimpses into the workings of the higher self, inviting individuals to explore the depths of their consciousness and embrace the guidance that is available to them from beyond the ordinary realm of perception. Segment 3. Intuition and synchronistic encounters. In the complexities of life, amidst its twists and turns, there exists a subtle yet profound force, our intuition. It's that silent whisper, that gut feeling nudging us towards certain choices, signaling what resonates with our deepest selves. Trusting this inner voice is akin to navigating with a compass in a stormy sea. It's our beacon of truth amid the chaos. Often it offers foresight, providing gentle warnings or nudges in the right direction before events unfurl. Whether it's a decision about career, relationships, or personal growth, honoring this intuition can lead us towards decisions that are authentic and aligned with our true path. It's a relationship with ourselves that requires nurturing, listening, and trusting in the wisdom that lies within. Moreover, the journey of life is enriched by the unexpected encounters with others. Every person who enters our lives, seemingly out of nowhere, carries a potential purpose. They might serve as catalysts for change, offering perspectives we hadn't considered or support we didn't know we needed. These serendipitous connections could be the universe's way of guiding us towards growth and fulfillment. Whether it's a chance meeting with a stranger who imparts a profound insight, or a new friend who becomes a pillar of support, these encounters shape our journey in ways we may not immediately comprehend. Embracing these connections with an open heart and mind allows us to tap into the interconnectedness of all things, recognizing that we are part of a greater tapestry where every thread has its significance. Segment 4. The power of thoughts and evolution of relationships. Our innermost thoughts are reflections of our deepest essence, not just mere mirrors but channels through which our elevated consciousness communicates. Within the intricate maze of our minds resides a reservoir of profound wisdom awaiting discovery. By embracing mindfulness and cultivating self-awareness, we can explore this internal terrain, recognizing the gentle murmurs of intuition amidst the noise of daily existence. Attuned to these cues, we unlock a well of enlightenment that leads us towards our genuine calling and genuine self-revelation. As we traverse the journey of personal growth and evolution, we often find ourselves undergoing profound shifts in our relationships. These transformations are not haphazard occurrences, but deliberate orchestrations by our higher self, nudging us towards connections that resonate with our soul's journey. Just as a gardener prunes away dead branches to allow for new growth, so does our higher self prune away relationships that no longer serve our highest good. Though these transitions may be challenging, they are essential for our spiritual advancement, enabling us to forge deeper connections with individuals who uplift and inspire us along our path. In essence, our thoughts and relationships are not merely fleeting occurrences, but integral components of our spiritual journey. By attuning ourselves to the wisdom within and embracing the natural ebb and flow of relationships, we align ourselves with the guiding hand of our higher self, leading us towards greater fulfillment, authenticity, and alignment with our true purpose. Segment 5. Emotional intensity and seeking solitude. Embracing the intensity of one's emotions can be a profound journey towards self-discovery and growth. Rather than shying away from the tumultuous waves of feeling, one can view them as messengers from the depths of their being. These emotions often serve as signals from the higher self, urging us to pay attention and delve into the underlying causes and meanings. By allowing ourselves to fully experience and explore these emotions, we open doors to deeper self-awareness and transformation. Through this process, we may uncover hidden aspects of ourselves, confront unresolved issues, and ultimately find greater harmony and balance within. In the midst of life's chaos, finding solace in solitude can be a powerful practice. In moments of quiet seclusion, away from the distractions of the outside world, we can reconnect with our innermost selves and access the spiritual dimensions of life. In these moments of silence, we can clearly hear the whispers of our higher self. Introspection and meditation help us strengthen our connection with the guiding force within us. In solitude, we can reflect on our experiences, ponder the mysteries of the universe, and nurture our spiritual growth. By embracing solitude as a sacred space for self-discovery and inner exploration, we pave the way for profound personal transformation and a deeper connection with the essence of our being. Segment 6. Meditation practice and inspiration and enthusiasm. Meditation stands as a timeless tradition transcending cultural and spiritual borders, offering individuals a profound route to inner tranquility and self-discovery. By quieting the mind and directing focus inward, meditation serves as a potent means to foster a deeper bond with our spiritual core. Delving into our consciousness allows us to unravel layers of ingrained behaviors and ego-driven tendencies, unveiling our authentic essence. This journey of self-reflection fosters a heightened awareness of our interconnectedness with all beings and the cosmos, nurturing a profound sense of unity and balance within ourselves and our environment. Moreover, engaging in meditation enables us to maneuver through life's intricacies with greater ease and efficacy. Through fostering mindfulness and presence, we diminish our propensity to react impulsively to external circumstances and instead become more attuned to the insights offered by our inner intuition. Consistent meditation fosters the capacity to observe our thoughts and emotions impartially, empowering us to confront life's hurdles with composure and elegance. Consequently, we deepen our comprehension of our authentic selves and our innate potential for adaptation and advancement. Embracing the current of life and relinquishing resistance to the present moment, we unlock boundless avenues for individual and spiritual development. Fundamentally, Meditation embodies a profound voyage of self-exploration and growth, guiding us toward a stronger bond with our innermost selves and the boundless insight residing within us. Embracing a consistent meditation routine heightens our perception of our inherent magnificence and sacredness, igniting a revitalized zeal and passion for existence. Within the tranquility of meditation, we grasp the essence of our pure consciousness, limitless and everlasting, recognizing that by harmonizing with this elevated reality, we can lead a life imbued with deep significance and satisfaction. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the depths of your higher self. See you soon.